हम्म, सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। ॐ गणानां त्वा गणपतिगं हवामहे कविं कवीनामुपमश्रवस्तमं ज्येष्ठराजं ब्रह्मणां ब्रह्मणस्पत आनश्रवन्नोतिभिः सीदसादनम्। ॐ श्रीमहागणपतये नमः। सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणि विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णुः गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरः गुरुरेव परं ब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। सदाशिवसमारम्भा शङ्कराचार्यमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्तां वन्दे गुरुपरम्परां। श्रुतिस्मृतिपुराणानाम् आलयं करुणालयं नमामि भगवत्पाद शङ्करं लोकशङ्करं समस्तजनकल्याणे निरतं करुणामयं नमामि चिन्मयं देवं सद्गुरुं ब्रह्मविद्वरं सद्गुरुं ब्रह्मविद्वरम्। ॐ भद्रं कर्णेभिः शृणुयाम देवाः भद्रं पश्येमाक्षभिर्यजत्राः स्थिरैरङ्गैः स्तुष्टुवागंसस्तनूभिः यशेम देवहितं यदायुः। स्वस्ति न इन्द्रो वृद्धश्रवाः स्वस्ति नः पूषा विश्ववेदाः स्वस्ति नस्तार्क्ष्यो अरिष्टनेमिः स्वस्ति नो बृहस्पतिर्दधातु। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। We chant the third mantra on page number 95. Question number 6. स ईक्षां चक्रे कस्मिन् वहमुत्क्रान्ते उत्क्रान्तो भविष्यामि कस्मिन् वा प्रतिष्ठिते प्रतिष्ठास्यामीति। So we finished the second mantra yesterday, and it showed all the philosophies how that Atma cannot be born and cannot be dying. Also, that it is not that there is nothing in between. There has to be something, because otherwise there would be a memory. And it is not the dharma of the bhut, like the Charvak said, that the composition with the bhut, that is the 5 elements come in composition, and that time Chaitanya comes. It's not that also, because Chaitanya is the swarup of that Atma. Now, the Shodash Kala Purush has been mentioned here, that Saha Ikshan Chakra. The third mantra says that he started visualizing mentally who this Shodash Kala Purush. So he is mentally visualizing. What is he thinking? Mentally visualizing meaning he's thinking that what is by that, if that goes out, I also have to go out, and which is there, if it is established there, then I am also established. What is it? Something is there apart from me that is there. So let us come to the Bhashyan straight, and then we will analyze it. So Chetan Purvika च सृष्टि इति एवमर्थं च पुरुषः षोडशकलः पृष्टो य भारद्वाजेन स ईक्षाचक्रे ईक्षणं दर्शनं चक्रे कृत्वा इत्यर्थः. So the cause of this srishti is what? This cause of this Srishti is Chetana Purvika cha Srishti. See, if I make yesterday, we saw that everything has got two karan, two causes. That is the Upadan karan and the other is the Nimitta karan. There are two causes for anything. Okay. If there are two causes for anything, then what will be there if one is a sentient cause and the other is a inert cause? So the Upadan karan, the material cause, is that is changing, and the changer is the sentient cause. Like the potter is the efficient cause, and the mud is the material cause. So the potter is not changing. What is changing is the Upadan karan, the mud, the material cause is changing. So here also to say that this Srishti does not have two karan, this line Sir Ikshan Chakre has been given. See, wherever you don't understand, please tell me and I will repeat that again. When this whole Srishti, if suppose the whole Srishti has got two, like the other things in this world, material world, I've got two things everywhere. Material cause also and the efficient cause. Everywhere we can see two causes. Similarly, we can say that this Srishti also has got two causes. To refute this mantra has been said. Why? Because if there are two causes to anything, then one will be a Chetan and the other will be Jada. Always it is like that because there has to be some efficient cause, there has to be some Chetan to modify. Suppose the watch is there. The watch is what? The watch is made up of metals and everything. Now there has to be somebody else other than the watch who is making that watch. It is not a composition of the watch. Yes, the watchmaker is different from the watch. So everything in this world has got two causes, but that does not apply to the Srishti. The Srishti cannot have two causes. The Brahma is only the material cause of this world also. The Brahma is the material cause of this world also. All the material cause in this world is Jad only. But this, and therefore the question may arise that the Srishti, the material cause of this world is also Jad only. Okay, to indicate that this material cause of this world is not Jad, this Ikshan Chakra, he is mentally visualizing this as well. Said because mentally visualizing or the thinking procedure cannot be done by something inert. Therefore, this Srishti, if Srishti came from something inert, then Ishwar will be inert, Ishwar will be Jad. If Ishwar is Jad, then where is the place for karma phal? Where is the place for punarjan? Who will decide which situation, which place we have to go to? This Srishti cannot be Jad. The material cause of this world, therefore, is sentient. And therefore, repeatedly, all the Upanishads have told this. Sa Aikshata, Ya Aikshata, Sadaiva Brahma Somvedam Agrayasi. Many things you'll see. Atma Vaidam Agrayasi. So the cause of this world is not inert. It is sentient. You see Darwin's theory, you see any other theory, you see all the scientific theories. You won't find this thing. Because the whole Srishti has come from the sentient. In science, if we go, if all the scientific theories, they say that from the inert, the sentient has come. This is not possible. Because if the effect is coming from some cause, it will have traits of the cause. If suppose I have taken a mithai is made up of milk. So the mithai will have the traits of the milk. The effect, if it has come from inert, then it will be an inert only. It won't have sentiency. But I feel there is sentience in myself. I feel there is sentience in the plants. I feel there is sentience in the animals. How can from the jad something some sentient can come? It's not possible. Therefore, we hear this theory, this Sa-Ikshan Chakra is telling us that the material cause of this world is that Brahma only. That Brahma cannot be jad, that Brahma is sentient. See, material cause, any material cause, it won't, so Atmani Kriya Bhavan, it won't act on itself, it won't modify by itself. So there has to be some efficient cause. So efficient cause here is Brahma only. Sa-Ikshan Chakra. So Brahma only is the efficient cause. If you think they are different, that is material cause and efficient cause are different, then, and it came from mixing of these two, efficient cause and material cause, the two mixed and the whole situation, the theory came. Then what will happen? That means we will need another efficient cause is there, and then everything will have two. Like the Sankhya people say, for them there are two Sat, Prakriti and Purush, both of them are Sat. So they will limit each other if there are two Sat. Because if EC is also true, MC is also true, then there will be two Sat. Are you getting me? Tell me, is it clear? Please tell me if it is clear. How will you say? First tell me whether how many causes are there for the objects? How many causes? Each object has got how many causes?
Two causes.
What are the names?
Material cause and efficient cause.
Material cause and the efficient cause. So in the world, I'm talking about the world, outside, I mean an object, suppose, a book or a mug or something else, that has got two causes, that is the efficient cause and the material cause. The material cause is what? I mean, how is it? It is Jad or Chetan?
Material cause is Jad.
Jad. Okay, the material cause is Jad. So is the efficient cause modifying or the material cause is modifying?
Material cause is modifying.
Material cause is modifying. So there has to be a modifier who is changing the material cause. And what is the name of that? Who is modifying the material cause is called?
Efficient cause, yeah.
Efficient cause. Yes. So efficient cause is always modifying the material cause, and the thing is in front of us. Similarly, we can think that this Srishti also has got two current, that is the MC and the EC. MC is Jad and EC is sentient. We can have this idea. But to negate this idea, then if it has got two current, then if efficient cause is also real, material cause is also real. So in the Jagat, what is the material cause of the Jagat? By what is it made?
Panchabhut.
Panchamahabhut. So Panchamahabhut is Jad. And the maker, if we call that maker a Ishwar or Brahma or whatever, then that is sentient. So there are two causes, if both are real, if the Panchamahabhut is also real, and if this Ishwar is also real, then there will be two Sat. This is not possible. So because the sentient cause is only the material cause also of this world. To prove this small portion, Sa-Ikshan Chakra, as we take it. Chetan Purvika Iyam Srishti. See all the philosophies that we have. Name the 9 philosophies that we have. All the 9 philosophies, what are they? Charvak,
Sankhya, Nyaya,
Charvak, Bauddha,
Buddha,
Jain. These are
Jain.
what? Nastic. Charvak, Bauddha, and Nyaya. Sorry, Charvak, Bauddha, and Jain. These are Nastic. Nastic meaning what?
जो वेद को नहीं मानते हैं.
They don't believe in the Ved. So there are the Ved Bahya. They don't believe in the Ved. Charvak, Bauddha, and Jain. Now come to the Aztec philosophies. What are they? There have to be 6.
उत्तर मीमांसा,
Uttar Mimamsa, Purva Mimamsa, Sankhya and Nyaya,
संख्या न्याय,
and 2 more. Uttar Mimamsa, Purva Mimamsa, Sankhya and Nyaya, and Yoga and Nyaya, Vaisheshik, and Sankhya and Yoga. You have to make it like that. Okay. First is Uttar Mimamsa, Purva Mimamsa. Second is Sankhya and Vaisheshik, Nyaya and Vaisheshik, and Sankhya and Yoga. Okay. See, we are forgetting. So now, all of them have different theories of that Sat. These people, who the Nyaya people, for them there are there are 9 Karan. For the sun, I am not going into that. 9 Panchamaha. They have got 9 Bhut. Our Panchabhut and then 4 more. Okay, Atma, Man, Disha, all of that. Atma, Dik. What are the other 2? Atma, Disha, Man, and
मन, काल.
Kal. So these are the 4 and plus 5 hours. So this is what? 9. So everybody has a different theory of this Srishti. All the philosophers, they have different philosophies about this Srishti. The Jains say that Krama Purvika Iyam Srishti. This has come in a kram, in a sequence. Who? The Jain philosophy says. Bauddha philosophy says Shunya Purvika Iyam Srishti. Just now we had proved how it is Shunya in between. Shunya Purvika Iyam Srishti. Charvak says Bhut Purvika Iyam Srishti. Because it is everything is made of Panchamahabhut only. Don't go into sentiency, this, that, Nitya, and everything. We don't know what is a next birth also. Nothing. Bhut Purvika. Everything is Panchamahabhut only. Bhut Purvika. Purva Mimamsa says karma. Whatever is there, it is karma only. If you are doing good actions, you will go to good loka. If you are doing bad actions, you will go to bad loka. So, karma purvika iyam srishti. Purva Mimamsa. For them, karma is everything. Then comes Nyaya. Nyaya says, Nava dravya purvika iyam srishti. Just now he saw. It has got 9 elements. Sankhya says, Prakriti Purush Purvika iyam srishti. It has got 2 Sat, Prakriti and Purush. So everybody, all the theories like that have different theories about that Sat. What does Vedanta say? Vedanta says Chetan Purvika iyam srishti. That is the first line that has been said. Chetan Purvika in the Bhashyam. See? Chetan Purvika cha srishti iti eva matha. So Ikshan Chakre has got this meaning only, that we are trying to prove that this whole Srishti has not come from any inert object, but it has come from sentient object, some sentient thing. So Chetan Purvika, the cause of this Srishti is sentient, it cannot be judged. Is this clear? Then I will move ahead. If it is not clear, then please tell me. No. Shall I move ahead?
Please say again.
See, if this whole world is made up of two causes, like the other things are also made up of two causes. If this world is also made up of two causes, then it will be as if there are two sat in everything. Efficient cause and material cause, they cannot be different, like it is different in the worldly matters, worldly objects. Like the flower is different from me. I have planted some tree that is different from me. I am making some recipe that is different from me. So everywhere there are two things. But similarly in this Srishti also, if everything has got two things, by two things it is made, then it will be limited. I mean, one sat will be limiting the other. The Brahma will become small, limited, finite. So therefore, the here in this world, the Srishti, the material cause, is same as the efficient cause. Like in our dream, who's the material cause? In our dream world, what is the material cause? I am dreaming of many things. I'm dreaming of you. I'm dreaming of your house. I'm dreaming of some river. I'm dreaming of some Himalayas. I'm dreaming of Gita. I'm dreaming of any other thing. Is it different from me in my dream? Tell me, is it different from me in my dream?
No, मैं ही
Because
बन सकती हूँ.
मैं अलग नहीं हूँ, because I am only being projected as all these things. Similarly, when I get up, I know that whatever I was looking at was myself only. Similarly, here also in this world, the material cause and the efficient cause are one only. They cannot be two. And the whole world, therefore, is sentient, has come from sentiency. Otherwise, there won't be anything called sentience, because the cause will pervade the effect. Then how can we see some objects sentient, other objects insentient? If it has already come from Bhut, like Charvak says, Bhut Purvikayam Srishti, so everything has come from the Bhut is Jad. Elements, 5 elements are Jad. So the Jadatva will be seen everywhere. But I don't think that I am Jad. So therefore, in my experience or Anubhuti also, this is there that this Chetan Purvika only Iyam Srishti has to be Chetan. Otherwise, the whole world will be inert only. There can't be any sentiency seen in this world. So therefore, the efficient cause only has become the material cause. Material cause is not different. Brahma is only the material cause. On itself only it is working. So there are not two causes of the world. There is only one cause of the world, and that is Brahma only, and that is sentient. We feel that if something is changing, something has been made, then that is jad, that is inert in nature. We feel like that. Therefore, this has been said that that Brahma that you're talking about, that is not jad, that is sentient. Is this clear now? Or still not? Oh, why is everybody so
आया है समझ में।
तो डिफिकल्ट है क्या?
नहीं, इतना डिफिकल्ट भी नहीं।
तत्वबोध वाला ही सारा है।
हम्म,
आप समझाइए, बताइए।
समझा पाओगे क्या?
कोशिश करिए। ट्राई।
हाँ, पंच महाभूत से ये सृष्टि मतलब जो हम देख रही हूँ, वो सारे वस्तु का मटेरियल का पंच महाभूत ही है। हमें सबसे सेंसियन दिखाई देते हैं, मतलब दो है सब में। मटेरियल का अभी आया कहाँ से? ब्रह्म से ही आए हैं, वहां पे दो नहीं है। मतलब एक सेंचियन करके अलग है और मटेरियल कस करके अलग है, ऐसा नहीं है। जो पंचा महाभूत है वहां से ही आए हैं, इसीलिए उनका कॉज का जो है, मतलब सेंचियंसी का जो है, सब में दिखाई देते हैं, इसीलिए वही।
मतलब सब में नहीं दिखाई हो कि हम लोग ऐसा बोल सकते हैं कि कहीं पे भी हमको फिर सेंशियंसी नहीं दिखाई देती। जितनी हमको सेंशियंसी दिखाई देती है संसार में, अगर समथिंग हैज कम फ्रॉम दैट जड़, then everywhere everything will be appearing as jad only.
हाँ,
Then from
नहीं
where
है।
does this sentiency come? This can be the question. तो इसीलिए साइंस ऐसा बोलता है कि सारी सब इनर्ट से ही आया हुआ है. The sentiency also has come from inert. This is not possible.
नहीं है।
ये पॉसिबल नहीं हो सकता है.
नहीं है। हम्म,
तो इसीलिए दो हो रहा है. तो जो
हम्म,
दोनों है वो हमारे लिए दो नहीं होके एक ही है. मटेरियल कॉस्ट भी हमारे लिए ब्रह्म ही है, एफिशिएंट कॉस्ट भी हमारे लिए ब्रह्म. सो सिंपल एग्जांपल हमारा स्वप्न है.
हम्म, स्वप्न
में जैसे दो कॉजेस नहीं है. स्वप्न में एक ही कॉज है, दैट इज द सेंशियंट गॉड. हु इज द कॉज इन स्वप्न? आई माय सेल्फ. बस इतना ही समझना है. दो कॉजेस नहीं है, एक ही कॉज.
दो एग्जिस्ट करना पड़ेगा तब तो, अगर दो हो जाए, दो
हाँ
सत,
हाँ.
दो
और दो साथ होने से क्या होगा मिली?
लिमिटेड हो जाएगा ना।
एक दूसरे के लिए दोनों दृश्य बन जाएंगे.
इससे बन
लिमिटेड हो गया. इसके लिए ये दृश्य, इसके लिए ये दृश्य. जैसे सांख्य को हम लोग ऐसे ही रिफ्यूट करेंगे. प्रकृति और पुरुष दोनों आपके एक ही सात्विक साथ कैसे हो सकते हैं?
ग्रॉस है तो लिमिटेड होना ही पड़ेगा.
यस
सब ये कैसे
यस
होगा?
यस. So therefore
ये
there cannot be. हाँ.
मेटेरियल कॉज और एफिशिएंट कॉज के बारे में थोड़ा सा बताइए.
Material cause is the mud. Simple है. In a pot, where there is a pot, I am making a pot. So the mud is the material cause, and the potter is the efficient cause. Gold ornament में बताइए, what is it? पितामह.
गोल्ड इज द एफिशिएंट कॉज.
आहा.
नहीं,
Gold is the material cause,
गोल्ड इज अ मटेरियल कॉज.
and the goldsmith is the efficient cause. है ना? Goldsmith is the efficient cause. Similarly, if I am weaving some cloth, what is the material cause?
The cloth is
The cloth I'm weaving. So what is the material cause?
weaver is the efficient cause.
Weaver is the efficient cause, and material cause?
Is cloth, the thread or
Thread.
cloth which
Thread.
thread.
ठीक है, समझ में आया? तो this whole world is also made up of, if it is made up of two things like that, then there will be a problem that there are two things. What is the sat behind the whole srishti? There our attention is going. There cannot be two. There has to be one only behind the srishti. And that has to be Chetan. That cannot be inert. If it is inert, then there will be a problem that everything has come from inert. Then how can we prove Punarjanma? How can we prove the Karma Phal Siddhant? Everything will go away if this is, क्योंकि हमको कर्म फल मिलता है ना. If I am doing some good thing, just now like we are studying Vedanta, so the karma phal is being generated. Somebody should be there to notice this, observe this, systematically write it down, jot it down, note it down, and then make a karma phal out of it. And give the karma phal at the right time. So there has to be some sentient factor behind that. So therefore, Chetan Purvikayam Srishti. This Srishti has come out from Chetan only. It is not from Jad. This has been proved here, Sa Ikshan Chakra. Shall we move ahead? Is it fine? Okay.
Yes.
It will be more clear when we go ahead. So Srishti iti evam atham cha purusha shodash kalam. Prishto yo Bharadvajena, the Shodash Kala Purush that has been asked by Bharadvaj, Sa Ikshan Chakre Ikshanam Darshanam Chakre Vidvan Ityartha. Through this sentence, this is being proved that the whole Srishti is what? Chetan Purvika. It is come from the Chetan only. Srishti Phala Kramadi Vishayam. The fruit and the sequence of this has been told. How this Srishti has come out, the sequence and the phalam has been, fruit has been told. How katham ityuchyate, how has it come out? Kasmin kartra visheshe dehat utkrante utkranto bhavishyami. And by which specific doer, if it goes out, I also have to go out. Simple, the same meaning. Kasmin va sharire pratishtite aham pratishthasyami. Pratishthitasyami ityartha. And when it stays, I also stay back. I also don't go out. I want to know about that. Okay, simple. Then now, let us come to the next page. Now, there are again Purupaksha and all those things, but it is really interesting. Just try to be a little bit alert and you will know that. It is very simple, not very difficult. Nanu, now Sankhya. Sankhya, we know. What is Sankhya philosophy? It has got two Sat, Prakriti and Purush. And what is it doing? The Prakriti is serving the Purush. See, we also somewhere or the other have this Sankhya in us. We feel that the Prakriti is outside and the Purush is inside. So we are all Purush and the Prakriti is serving us. So we are the Bhokta and Prakriti is the Karta. Our sharir, our body is Prakriti. So this is serving the Jivatma inside, that is the Purush. For them, there are two Sat. Prakriti is also very, very Sat and the Purush is also very, very Sat for them. So again, they have two Sat. So now these people are saying, Are, what are you talking? Nanu, Atma, Akarta and Pradhanam Kartra. What are you talking about? That this Atma or the Purush, for them Atma is Purush. So they are saying this Purush, this called this Atma, what you're talking about, that is Akarta. It does not do anything. Why? It is only Bhokta. It does not do anything. So Ikshan Chakre, when you are saying, so this Atma, you are making it to do something. It cannot do. It is not the doer. So who is the doer? Pradhanam Kartra. Pradhanam here meaning Prakriti. For them, because here Saha word is used, therefore Prakriti is feminine. So they have changed to Pradhanam. Pradhan. So that Pradhan is the Karta. This is a Sankhya philosophy. Sankhya philosophy says that the Prakriti is the Karta and the Purush is the Bhokta. Prakriti is doing everything for that Purush inside. To give Bhog to the Purush. Therefore, Prakriti is modifying, Prakriti is changing, Prakriti is doing everything. So, Karta is the Pradhan, not the Atma. What are you talking? So, Ikshan Chakra, you have made it a doer. Who? This Atma has become doer for you. Sankhya is saying that Atma cannot be the doer. Ataha Purushartham Prayojanam Urarikritya meaning keeping it first. Prayojan, to keep the Prayojan first. So, Ataha Purushartham, Purushasya Artham, for the Purush, for Purush, the Prakriti is acting. Prayojana Murari Kritya Pradhanam Pravartate. Pradhan is acting for the Purush. Why don't you understand this? Try to understand. It is very simple. The Pradhan is doing everything for the Purush. Purush meaning Atma for us. But then that is Purush. So the Pradhan is doing everything for the Purush. Pradhanam Pravartate Mahat Adi Karanena. And that Pradhan only is modifying into Mahat, then Ahankar, then all the Pancha Mahabhut, everything. This Pradhan only is modifying. Remember, Pradhan is equal to Prakriti. Because Saha word is used, Pulling word is used, therefore, Bhagavan Bhashyakar and Sankhya have converted that Prakriti meaning into Pradhan. So that Pradhan is modifying, not the Atma. How can it think? How can it be doer? Full stop. Tatra idam anupapannam. Therefore, in this mantra, this is very, very illogical to say that you are making that Atma only the Shodash Kala Purush, the doer. Purushasya swatantrena iksha purvakam kartritva or Purushasya, of that consciousness, swatantrena iksha purvakam, independently visualizing. He is thinking and he is visualizing. That means you are saying that it has become a doer. This is not possible. Full stop. Satvadi guna samne pradhane pramanopapanne. And pramanopapanne meaning praman. There are other various praman. There are Shruti praman. There are other praman that say that this pradhan is working when the three gunas are in samyavastha. Three gunas meaning, see, for us, pradhan or the prakriti is maya. So one definition of maya is what? Tell me. Tell me the definition of maya.
Trigunatmika Maya.
Yes. Good. So guna, Trigunatmika Maya, so all the guna when they are in samyavastha, that is called maya. So here they are saying Satvadi guna samye. All the gunas in samyavastha, pradhan is pramanopapanne in the pradhan, that prakriti. That we have seen, that is siddha by praman, full stop. Srishti kartari sati ishware ichhanuvartishu. And these nyaya people, these for the nyaya, see, we are nyaya also somewhere. We are Sankhya somewhere, we are nyaya somewhere. Nyaya people believe in Ishwar. They believe in Ishwar. That Ishwar is the Karta. And as per the Ishwar only, everything is happening. So all the 9 elements we saw just now, the 5 that we have, and Atma, Mana, Disha, and Kal. All these 4 modify in the form of anus, atoms, as per the wish of the Lord, as per the wish of the Ishwar. And 90% of the people on this world, may it be Muslims, may it be Christians, may it be Hindus, may it be Jews, everybody is Nyaya person. Because they believe in that Ishwar, that the whole Prakriti is modified as per his desires. So here, there again it is said, Srishti Kartari Sati Ishwar Ichha Nuvartishu Va Paramanyushu Satsu Swatmano Api Katvena Kartritve Sadhana Abhavat Atmanaha Atmani Anarthakritvanu Upapattescha. If you say that all these Anu, Parmanu of all the 9 elements are Ishwar Ichha Anuvartishu, they are following the desire of the Lord. Va Parmanushu, how Satsu Atmanu Api, how only Ishwar or the Atma is the Karta. How is it that only the Ishwar is the Karta? How is it possible? So, Parmanu is the cause. So, Ishwar cannot do anything. There also there are 2 causes. The Parmanu is also, what will Ishwar make if there is no Parmanu, if there is no Panchamahabhut? or if there are no nine elements, what will the Ishwar do? Ishwar needs everything. All these things Ishwar needs. साधन अभावात् आत्मनः आत्मनि अनर्थकर्तृत्वात् अनुपपत्तेश्च. So Ishwar made the world for what? Anarthakartritvat. For what has Ishwar made the world? I don't understand. That for what? Sadhana abhavat atmana. What the sadhan he had, from that only he has made. Now you are saying that he only has started thinking and visualizing and there is nothing else. This is not possible. How will he make? How will he go ahead? He has to have these things. Only then he can make. So Nyaya is what? Arambhavadi. As they said, Ishwar created world from the very beginning, not from Pralay. From the very beginning. This is the Arambhavadi theory of Sankhya. What do they say? They say that the Srishti has come from where? Arambha. The Ishwar has made it from the beginning only. Created the world from very beginning. From where? From those 9 Anus and Parmanus, from the 9 elements, it is modifying and it is making. Bhagwan is making. So how only Ishwar or the Atma is Karta? It is not possible that here you have Megza Iksha Chakre only. He is the Karta. This is also not possible. Sankhya was saying that the Pradhan is the Karta, and here he is saying we need Ishwar also, and we need all 9 Parmanus also. Otherwise, it can't be. So, Parmanu is the cause, not the Atma. Atma is not the cause, the Parmanu and the Ishwar, both of them are the cause. And tell me one thing, this is very funny. Tell me one thing, this Srishti is anarthakari. Nahi chetanavan buddhi purva karyatmano anartham kuryat. One shouldn't do something by which he only is troubled. So if he is making this Srishti, we also have this question. I am troubled by this Srishti. Why Bhagavan has made this Srishti and put us in this Srishti only? There was no need. So this is the question. That there was no need. Why have they put this? And this is anarthikrit. Atmani anarthakartritvat anupattescha. Ishwar made this world for what? So Srishti is anarthakari. We don't need this Srishti at all. But Ishwar, why has he made? If you are making him a maker, a doer, why has he made? Now next, Sankhya. Tasmat purusharthena prayojanena iksha purvakamiva. Therefore, for the prayojan of the Purush, prayojanena iksha purvakamiva, niyata kramena, by certain order. Niyata kramena meaning there is a sequence. Pravartamanena, in acting. Achetane pradhane, chetanavat upacharoyam sa ikshan chakra ityadi. We are answering the Sankhya people. That Chetanta is opcharik, as if it is visualizing. Actually, Pradhan does the indirectly, the Prakriti is only acting, as if now here this Purush is visualizing everything. So sa ikshan chakra ityadi. So Atma, worship in the Atman, worship cannot be there. So Prakriti is working for the Purush. The Sankhya people are. Sankhya people are refuting them, the Nyaya people. That Atma, the Ishwar, like your Ishwar is my Purush. Are you understanding what is happening? Your Atma meaning your Ishwar, the Nyaya people call that Ishwar. The Ishwar for them, for these Sankhya people, it is a Purush. So here they are saying that it is Opcharik. It is as if it is put. Chaitanya is Opcharik, as if it is visualizing. It is not there actually in that. It is visualizing. Why are you afraid of that? So indirectly, Pradhan only is doing everything. Pradhan is the doer. Otherwise, it is not the doer. Like Yatha Ragya Sarvartha Karini Vritye Rajiti Tattva. Like when there is a king, and the king is not the doer everywhere. The person who is doing on behalf of the king, people call him also like the king only. Because he is doing everything. He has got all the power to do. So Bhagavan Bhashyakar is saying here, no, it is not like that. Atmana bhoktritva vat kartritva upapattehe. If I say you are making, he's talking to the Sankhya people. You are saying that the Purush is only the Bhokta and the Prakriti is the Karta. See, or outside Prakriti, this body is serving the Jeev inside. Everything is serving the Jeev inside. So you are saying that the Karta is the Prakriti. But like you have superimposed the Karta on the Prakriti, I can superimpose the Karta on the this one also, Atma also, Purush also. You have made the Purush Bhokta, then why can't he be Karta also? Because Karta and Bhokta go together. So if you are saying the Purush is Bhokta, then it can be Karta also. Yatha Sankhya Chidmatrasya अपरिणामिनो अपि आत्मना भोक्तृत्वं तद्वदेव इदानीं इच्छादिपूर्वकम्. So like the Sankhya, in the Sankhya that of the consciousness, Chidmatrasya, the aparinamino, the non-modifying consciousness, here is superimposed. So superimpose the bhoktritva atmana, but still enjoyship. Tadvat eva. Similarly, Vedanta can say tadvat vedavadinam, ikshadi purvakam. They can say that it is visualizing and mentally thinking. Jagat kartritvam upapannam shruti pramanya. Then it can modify for doing also. By giving Shruti Praman, I can tell you this. Are you understanding? They are saying that the Prakriti is the only Karta, not Bhokta. And the Purush is only the Bhokta, not the Karta. So here Vedavadinam, Bhagavan Bhashkar is saying that the Vedantis can say that no, like you have put the Bhoktritva in the Purush, we can superimpose the Kartritva also in the Purush. What is the difference there? If we have already made him a Bhokta, then he can be the Karta also. And I can give Shruti Praman also for that. Then Purva Paksh is saying, Tattvantar Parinama Atmana Anityatvat Shuddhatvat Anekatva Nimitto Bhavati. So there are two kinds of modifications, this Purva Paksh is saying. Very interesting. He said there are two kinds of modification, not one kind of modification. There is one essential change. So there are two kinds of modification. What are they? One is Tattvan, Nityatva Shuddha, Tattvantar Parinam. One is Tattvantar Parinam, where you cannot get the object. The Tattva has completely changed, like the milk has completely changed into the curd. Now you cannot get it back. So this enjoyer, the Bhoktritva of the Purush is not like this. It is not Tattvantar change. I can get it back. So Atmana Nityatva, Ashuddhatva, Anekatva Nimitto Bhavati. If you make it a Karta also, then it will become Tattvantar Parinam. It will change. But why? No, then it won't be remaining Nitya. It will become Anitya. Ashuddha, Anekatva Nimitta Bhavati. It will become Anek. Why? Because it is thinking, so it is changing. Their logic, I don't know from where they get all these logics and trouble us. Yes, we have to skip all this. No, I'm trying to tell you the logics because somewhere or the other, some people might tell us that this is the thing. So if he has started thinking, then he is saying that this is, you cannot get, once he started thinking that Tattvantar Parinam happens, it changes completely. And my God, he changes completely, yes. And what is the second? Na Chinmatra Swarupa Vikriyataha. But these changes are not there in the Atma, otherwise I won't have myself. Anityatva, Shuddhatva, ityadi. Purushasya swatmani eva bhoktritve Chinmatra Swarupa Vikriya na doshaya. Enjoyship in the self is its nature only. So the Swarupa Vikriya is not a fault in him. Swarupa Vikriya is not there. So Chinmatra Swarupa Parinam is the second one and Tattvantar Parinam is the first one. The Chinmatra Swarupa Parinam is where you can get the object back. So when he's Bhokta, you can get once you are having some desire or something and get it back. But here you cannot get it back if you have changed yourself completely. So na doshaya bhavata punar vedavadinam srishti kartritve tattvantar parinama eva. So here yours, who are the followers of Vedanta, their Atma is the creator, Srishti Kartritva, Tattvantar Parinama. There will be essential change in the nature when the Atma will modify. So please don't make him a Karta. Let him be only Bhokta, that you will get him back. The Atma, you can get him back. अतः आत्मना अनित्यत्वादि सर्वदोष प्रसंग, then of that self there will be all the dosh that you told, that I told you just now in the chat. And Bhashyakar is saying, no, it is not like that. एकस्य अपि आत्मना अविद्याकृत नाम रूप उपाधि अनुपाधिकृत विशेषाभ्युगमान. That only one self is only there, but it became specific. It became many through the conditionings by the avidya krita nama rupa upadhi, through the upadhi of nam roop, various conditionings, that one atma is only becoming karta, sometimes it is becoming bhokta. That you should understand. All the shrutis say satyam jnanam anantam brahma, that atma is one only, it is not many. So this, if you are saying that there are many, that is through this upadhi only. Upadhi krita vishesha upyagama. This vishesh, bhedanam, bhedo nama vishesha. Remember the definition of vishesh? Vishesh meaning bhed. Why are you vishesh? Why is something is different than the other? Because of the gun. So bhedanam vishesha. अविद्याकृत नाम रूप उपाधि ही कृतो ही विशेषाभ्युगम्यते. Because of this upadhi of नाम रूप only and maya, it becomes various things. सोपाधिक विशेष अभ्युपगम्यते. सोपाधिक jagat, Ishwar, Jeev, all these three has been divided because of the नाम रूप only. आत्मनः बंध मोक्षादि शास्त्रकृत संव्यवहाराय परमार्थ अनुपपादिकृतं च तत्त्वम् एकमेव द्वितीयम् उपादेयं भवति. On the Atma only bandhan and moksha cannot be there in the Atma. This also has been said through the upadhi of various things. In the Atma, is there any bandhan? No. Is there moksha in the Atma? No. Why? There is no bond. There is no second to bind him. There is no birth that he will get moksha. So bandhan is also not there and mukti is also not there in the Atma. From the perspective or the angle of upadhis, this has been shastrakrit. This has been, upadhi has been superimposed for vyavaharaya, so that I can interact, I can know about it. Paramarthata anupadhikrita. Paramarthata means absolute, from the absolute level. It has got no upadhi in itself. There is no upadhi. Cha tattvam ekam, and that tattvam is ekam. Eva advitiyam upadeyam, and it is it cannot be taken, it cannot be left. Aheyam anupadeyam, that we had seen in Mundak also, in Mandukya also, and that which is non-dual atma. Ekam eva advitiyam. There is no second. Sarva tarkika buddhya anavagayam abhayam shivam ishyate, and that which should be accepted by all the Tarkic, all the logicians should accept this. I don't know why they don't understand this. This is my statement. Why don't you understand? So that cannot be conceived by Buddhi, by the logicians. I don't know why. Because this is abhayam. Fearlessness is there only. Shiva Mishyate, auspiciousness is there only. Na tatra kartritvam bhoktritvam va kriya karaka phalam va syad. These five things are not there in that Atma. Which five things? Kartritva, bhoktritva, kriya, karak, and phal. These five things are not there in the Atma, and you are making it like that. You are making it karta, you are making it bhokta, you are making everything. Just yad, advaitatvat sarva bhavanam, and it is advaita, one dual self is going in all bhavanam, means padarthanam or astitvanam. Wherever there is existence, it is going through it. Sankhya, Sankhyaha tu avidyadhyaropitam eva. Those who are Sankhya, they are superimposing bhoktritva on that Purush and kartritva on that Prakriti through avidya only. Purushe kartritvam kriyakaraka phalam cheti kalpayitva agam bahyatvat puna tatra santa. Remember just now we started that these Sankhya people, They are what? They are agam bahya. They don't believe in this shastra. Outside the shastra, this Veda, they act according to their experience and their logic. And so they are not thinking about what the Vedas have said. न परमार्थता एव भोक्तृत्वं पुरुषस्य इच्छन्ति तत्वान्तरं च प्रधानं पुरुषात् परमार्थ वस्तुभूतमेव कल्प्यन्ते. And therefore they have made the Purush as enjoyer, Bhokta, and the Prakriti they have made as the Karta, and they have made everything here with Karta and Bhokta. Other than that Purush, there is this real Pradhan also for them. Imagine, real Pradhan. Pushat Parmartha Vastu Bhutam Eva Kalpante, Anya Tarkika Sruta Buddhi Vishyasanto Vihanyate. And other Tarkic, other logicians also came and they attacked and they both are fighting with each other and they are cutting each other. How are they cutting? Like a vulture. Vulture has got meat in his mouth and the other vultures are coming and attacking it and they are again fighting against each other. This person who's a Vedanti, he's seeing them fight. He's giving this. Tathetare tarkikaha सांख्य रीत्येवं परस्पर विरुद्धार्थ कल्पनातः आमिषार्थिनः like vultures एव प्राणिनो अन्य विरुद्ध मानार्थ दर्शित्वा परमार्थ तत्वात् दूरमेवापि कृष्यन्ते. So they are pulled away from the Paramartha Tattva. Actually, what is there? The Vedanta philosophy, the actual Tattva, the Satyam, the Jnanam, the Anantam, they are pulled away by these logics only, and having neglected their, what is happening? Tad matam anaditya Vedanta Tattvam ekatva darshana pratyadaravanto mumukshasyuriti. So, having neglected their views, the mumukshu should always go back on his seat of meditation and should follow Vedanta only, which shows what? Which shows Brahma Atma Aikya. Brahma Atma Aikya Pratyadharmanta Mumukshasyu iti Tarkika mat दोष प्रदर्शनम किंचित उच्यते अस्माभिः न तु तार्किकवत् तात्पर्येण. So here I have just mentioned some dosh of the Tarkic, that not like Tarkic to refute anyone. Here I am just giving you some dosh of these Tarkic, that they make the Atma only as doer or as enjoyer, or Ishwar they are making separate from all the Anu, etc. It is not to refute anyone, or it is not also to do some tarka with all these people. It is just so that we know that there is dosh in all this. And therefore, tatha etat utra tatroktam vivadasveva nikshipya. He has given a shlok. So, vivadasveva nikshipya virodhodbhava karanam. Of those doing vivad, those people, vivadatsveva, those people who are doing vivad, nikshipya meaning leave. Virodhodbhava karanam, leave the karan of virod, leaving the karan of all virod amongst them who are doing this tarka. Taihi sanrakshita sadbuddhi, protect your buddhi from them. And sukham nirvati vedavita, and one who protects his buddhi and does his meditation as per Veda, as per Upanishads, as per Vedanta philosophies, he lives he gets the param sukha. Sukham nirvati vedavita. So here he is saying, kincha bhoktritva kartritvayoho vikriyayoho visheshan anupapati. There is no difference in vikar of kartritva and bhoktritva. If you are saying he is bhokta, why aren't you saying he is karta also? There is no difference between karta and bhokta. If I do not have an enjoyer inside, I can't be karta. If I am doing something, I have to have bhokta. So these two go together. So he's saying they are not different in specifications. They are the same only. Ka namaso kartritva, what is that there is intrinsical difference between them? Ka namaso kartritva jatyantara bhuta bhoktritva vishta vikriya. They are modifications only of that doer and enjoyer. Yataha, because of which bhokta eva purusha kalpate na karta pradhanam tu karta eva bhoktrite iti. Because of which you are making that purush only the bhokta and karta the pradhan only. Here, the pradhan cannot be bhokta and here it cannot be karta. How is it possible? Karta only becomes bhokta, bhokta only becomes karta. So all these things are on logics and are the specifications of the mind. So we should be very, very alert and be This is the guidance of Bhagwan Bhashyakar to us, to the seekers, that don't go into all these things. We'll say, I don't want to go into all these things. This has come here. That is why I'm listening with patience. I don't understand. No, it is not so difficult. You go through it, you'll understand. Don't go into the intricacies. Just see what are these philosophies. One will say Ishwar is doing with everything with the 99 Panchamahabhut in the form of Anu. The other Sankhya is saying there are two sons, Purush and Prakriti. And Purush cannot be Prakriti, with Purush is Bhokta and this is Karta. So we say that Karta and Bhokta are a part, two part. बोलते हैं ना कि coin के दो faces. So it is like that, two faces of a coin. So Karta only becomes Bhokta, Bhokta only becomes Karta. But they say no, specifically, this Purush has to be Karta, Bhokta only, not Karta. And Pradhan or the Prakriti is doing it. So we have refuted it. From page 100, we will see to Om Purnamadav Purnamadav Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavashishyate Om Shanti 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 Hari Om Shri Gurubhyo Hari Om. Tomorrow I will have class. Let me see, because tomorrow is Shankaracharya Jayanti also.